How can watermelons be dangerous to health? The autumn period has come and some watermelon lovers just now prefer to enjoy these juicy large berries, because they believe that autumn watermelons are more healthy and tastier. But like early summer and autumn watermelons can be hazardous to health, therefore, their use should be treated with caution. According to medical workers, along with useful trace elements, they can also bring toxic substances to the body. Firstly, nitrates that enter the berries from the soil during their growth and ripening do not disappear anywhere from these fruits. On the contrary, toxins can increase their activity during long-term storage after harvesting. Secondly, in order to enhance the resistance of watermelons during transportation and further storage until the very fall, they are picked slightly immature and reach the condition of the berry already along the way or in warehouses. Often, ripening happens much earlier than expected, and some watermelons can crack and get harmful microorganisms through microcracks. The third reason, laying unripe watermelons for storage until the autumn sales, farmers treat them with special substances that are designed to protect the fruits from bacteria. But these same compounds with a prolonged effect on the berries penetrate the peel and make it toxic. So be careful when choosing this delicacy, and remember that everything should be a measure. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.